HeartWorks Doppler functions can be accessed via the ultrasound control console, which is situated below the ultrasound image on the screen. Pulsed wave Doppler can be applied by clicking on the PWD button on the console. The button turns green and a sample volume cursor appears on the ultrasound image. The sample volume can be positioned by a single left mouse click and then by moving the mouse. A second single left mouse click will fix the sample volume position. From this point, the baseline of the spectral display can be moved using the baseline up and down buttons. The scale of the velocity display can also be altered using the scale up and down buttons. The trace can be frozen to allow measurements to be made. These include pressure half time, velocity time integral, and velocity. When the pressure half time button is selected, a cursor will appear on the spectral display and a measurement can be made by repeated left mouse clicks when the cursor has been positioned. Up to 5 measurements can be made on a single display. Velocity time integral can be measured by clicking on the VTI button. Positioning the cursor on the trace at the appropriate start point and by moving the mouse to trace the outline of the waveform. When the trace is completed, a further left mouse click will display the measurement. Simple velocity can be measured by selecting the velocity button and left mouse clicking on the frozen display. Again, up to 5 velocities can be recorded. Alternatively, the cursor can be selected to allow positioning of the sample volume on the 2D image before PWD is selected to display the spectral flow velocities.